Today we are back on the dairy farm. With tons of doves to shoot as usual, things didn't go as planned. Slugs that performed very well out at 50 yards on paper didn't perform that well out in the field. Luckily I sorted out the issue and we're back in business, so sit back and enjoy. Sure. That was a nice shot at 55 yards. Cracking shot, first kill on camera for today, and as you can hear probably from the mic, the javelin slugs really packs a massive punch. The ones that I'm shooting today are the javelin 26 grain slugs, and they are really performing very well. I'm shooting them at around 970 feet per second, so not too bad. Oh, beauty! That was a beauty of a shot. 68 yards. Not too bad. Yes, there's a lot of doves coming in now, so I don't think we're really going to move. It's really hot today, so staying in the shade is actually the best that we can do for ourselves today. But 2 of the doves in the bag so far. Let's see if another one shows up. With no doves coming in, we decided to move to a different spot, and here is where my issue started. I never missed so many shots in a very long time. With slugs shooting very high then very low, thinking there was something wrong with my gun, as the 26 grain javelin slugs and the 25 grain H&N slugs shot very well out at 15 yards, I didn't know what's going on. So we decided to head back to the truck to get different slugs and see what's going on. Oh, got it. Go down, go down, go down, go down. And down. It actually flew a very long way. That was about probably 70 yards, 80 yards, more or less. It just fell in one of these feedlots here of the cows. So yeah, we actually switched over to the 23 grain H&N slugs. I couldn't get a very good grouping at longer ranges with the javelin slugs. They got one here at 100 yards. That's exactly 3 mils of holdover. So here it goes. Oh, 100 yards, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, we got one here at 70 yards, and that's basically 1 and a little bit of holdover. Oh, solid shot. Solid shot. Okay, now I'm running it really nicely. I've been really upset and frustrated this morning. All these close shots, and now I can stretch my legs a little bit with these ones. It's just amazing. I love it. Got one at 84 yards. It's 2 mils of holdover around there. So let's give it a shot. Oh, solid shot. Man, it's just fun especially when you compensate for the wind and you see that little slug curl in like that. It's just amazing. Oh beauty, that was a headshot. That was a headshot. Beautiful. Another one there before I go for the one closer to me. That is 76 yards. That is 1.5, a little bit more than 1.5, 76 around there. Just over its head. Now that's a beauty. If you see something fall like that, that's just freaking amazing. We got one at 73 yards. A nice fat dove. 73 yards. That is 1.5 mils of holdover. So here it goes. Just crank my zoom up a little bit to my magnification. 1.5. Here we go. Cracking shot. Okay, let's see. There's a couple sitting there as well. 83. That is exactly 2 mils of holdover. 83. Around there. Okay. Flew off. Don't worry, there's more. 91, 2.5 mils. 91, 2.5 mils. That's just bloody beautiful. Honestly, that's just amazing. Since I have refilled my gun to 230 bar, down to 177 bar, I'm still smacking the living crap out of them. So very enjoyable now. Okay, so it's time to pick these ones up from the power line that I shot. It was all from, I think, 55 yards all the way to 114 yards, if I'm not mistaken, around there. I might be wrong, but still fairly a long way out, so let's get to it. For a double kill, 39 yards. Let's go. Not 100% sure how much I got there, how many. That one. got a guinea fowl, 83 yards. It's a little bit more than 2 mils of holdover. So let's have a look. I was actually just on my way to shoot the rock pigeon when my dad spotted this one, so let's go. 2 mils of holdover. I think I got it. I did. Go down, go down. Okay, 50 yards, let's see. Got it. I think I struck it in the wing. Not 100% sure, but definitely got it there. Another 2. 42 yards. That should be bang on. Got that one. Can you believe it? Well, I was actually busy getting some B-roll here, and my dad decided to go fetch the doves that I shot and the one pigeon, and I shot that guinea fowl and it actually ran off. I didn't think that I got it, but seems like I did. So I'm very happy about my dad retrieving the things for me. Oh, beauty. 93 yards. Smack dead. Love it, really love it. Okay, we got another string of them sitting on the wire, and unfortunately I won't be able to line them up square because of the gate. The pole is standing in the way, so I'm gonna try to shoot from an angle but still get like maybe a double kill or so. So let's see, it's on 64 yards if I'm not mistaken, so 1 mil of holdover, and let's give it a shot. That's a double kill. Really nice, I love it. These 23 grain H&N slugs is just the best out of this gun. Nothing else can compare with those 23 grain slugs. They just work phenomenally out of my Red Bull Safari. So let's go pick them up. Okay guys and girls, we're going to call it a wrap. As you probably can hear on the tin roofs behind the camera, the rain is starting to fall down. As you can see behind me, the rain is really going to catch us. As you can see, this is not everything that we shot. There's a couple more doves on the back of the bucky, but a really nice hunt. I must say it was really frustrating this morning. I came out with the 25 grain H&N Slug HPs. They did not perform really well. They only performed out to 30 meters. Same goes for the Javelin Slugs, the 26 grainers. They did not perform that well as well. And then I took the 23 grainers from H&N, the H&N Slug HP 23 grainers, and they performed great. I was shooting over 100 yards of these slugs, and I was capable of taking down guinea fowl, as you guys saw as well. So when it comes to the other slugs, they're not bad slugs, they just don't work well out of my setup and my gun. So the 23 grainers just worked so well out of my gun, and just a special thanks to H&N for sending me these slugs to play around with. I really enjoy them. I will definitely get more of them because this will be my go-to slug from now on. So yeah guys, that's basically that. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also share it with somebody else if they might be interested in a video like this. Remember to hit that subscribe button if you haven't been subscribed already, and remember to hit the bell notification as well so you can be notified on all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.